Hello everyone, welcome back to another special moment in our class. And in this case now, we are looking at the in this question we are going to look at the molar volume because it's already stated there. The molar volume, that means molar volume is required in this. Avogadro's help us understand what happened to a gas, equal volume of gas at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. At standard temperature and pressure, equal volume of gases, they have the same number of particles. You understand? So in that case now, we are given a question that demands for the molar volume. They say that the question said that calculates the volume of hydrogen chloride gas that will be obtained at STP from 12 grams of sodium chloride. Now, before that, I think we will need the chemical equation, which is loss. Yes, that will give us all right. That is what we have here. From this chemical equation now, we'll be able to see the way the reaction takes place. We're able to see that sodium chloride, 2 moles of sodium chloride react with presence of acids to give us 1 mole of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 and then hydrochloric gas. Now we'll question, if we're looking at this question, our attention should be on sodium and what is produced here. Sodium chloride and hydrogen chloride gas. So we know that now the first thing we're going to do now is to find the molar mass of sodium. Molar mass of sodium should be to do that what we are going to do here is that sodium, we know that sodium is equal to 23, and then we have a chlorine which is equal to 35.5. When we sum it up, when we sum everything up, we have this one will give us 5 points, this one 8, and this one, that one will be that is 58.5. 58.5, that is what we have as their molar mass. So for this other end, at STP, from this chemical equation, at STP, the volume of hydrogen chloride gas will be 22.4 dm3 according to the Avogadro's law. So it means that 22.4 dm3 is here. So let's see how far we can go about it. So what we have, let's go ahead and do justice to what we have. So what it means is that from this chemical equation, going by that, what it means is that 2 brackets of sodium chloride will give us 2 bracket 22.4 of hydrochloric acid. So what it means, you remember from the equation they have two attached to it. You understand? So when we're able to do that, so then we talk about this 12 grams of sodium chloride. That is the most important area we're going to really pay attention to. If we are to do that, we have this one to be 117 grams of sodium chloride, and then this other one will give us 4.8 of hydrochloric gas. So then the 12 grams in question that we are working with, the 12 grams will then be 12 grams will then give us all over 117 times. So if we are to do the calculation, if we are to do that, if we divide it, what we have will be we will have, this is near, we will have 4.596 dm cube, or 596 dm cube. That is the final answer. All right. Now there's some things I think I need to look at one more time. For every gas in this thing, we have, I've already stated this before in one of our in our previous video, where I said that molar volume, molar mass, and then Avogadro's, they have something in common based on this relation. Based on this relation, now they have all of them centered on this. So based on that, molar volume of every gas is also 22. So any gas, when you talk about moles, since we are looking at the moles, we want to find the volume. So before we do that, we'll also consider what happens at STP in that under standard condition, the number of moles that are involved, all those things. Then from there, we'll be able to get the one that we are the question wants us to do, to handle. So this is the one we're supposed to get, because under ideal condition, from the chemical equation, we were able to find out that 117 grams of sodium chloride can only give us 44.8 dm cube of hydrochloric gas. So from there, we'll be able to get this in the same dm cube. So always have this in mind, and then anytime we want to do some question relating to this, you can also look at this relation and be able to get what you want. Thank you so much for your time. I'm looking forward to read your comments. I want you to like, comment, just make a comment. If you have not subscribed also, just click the red button, the subscription button, and be part of our class. Thank you so much.